Class 10th. Today we'll do a few questions from exercise 13.3. In this exercise we will see the questions. In these questions one solid will be transposed to the other solid. Okay, so it will be recast from recasted from one to another one. As you can see in the first question, it is written that a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so and shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter, and we need to find the height of the cylinder. As the metallic sphere is recasted into a cylinder, so their volumes will be same. Shape is changing but the volume will be same or not, right? Okay, so we'll write. So we are having what? We are having sphere, okay, whose radius is 4.2 centimeter, and a cylinder whose radius is 6 centimeter, and we need to find the height of the cylinder. Okay, so firstly it was a sphere and we have recast that sphere into a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. We need to find the height. So we can write volume of sphere will be equals to volume of cylinder. Okay, right? So volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that is equals to volume of cylinder, right? And volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h, right? Solving it further, so volume of sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, okay, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here we can cancel out pi by pi, so on the left hand side we are having 4 upon 3 r cube now, and on the right hand side we are having r square h. So this is 4 by 3. Radius of the sphere is 4.2 centimeter, so multiply 4.2 multiply 4.2 multiply 4.2 equals to radius of the cylinder, that is 6 centimeter, so that is 6 into 6 into, and h we are going to find out, right? So to solve this one, 6 7 ja 42, so this will be 0.7. 6 7 ja 42, that is also 0.7. okay, and we can cancel this 4.2 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja 12. So therefore h will be, height of cylinder will be 4 multiply 0.7 multiply 0.7 multiply 1.4, right? 1.4. So if you multiply it, so what will get? So we'll get 4 multiply 0.7 into 0.7 into 1.4. okay, so 1.4 into 4 is 5.6, multiply 0.7 into 0.7 is 0.49, right? So that is 2.744 centimeter. Yes. Okay, right? Okay, moving to next one. So now I'm taking question number 3. Okay, So let us see what is in question number 3. So in question number 3 it is given that a 20-meter deep well, a 20-meter deep well. So this it is the depth of the well. It means we can assume that it is the height of the cylinder, because the well will be cylindrical, right? With diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meter by 14 meter. Okay, so what we did, so we are having a well. It is in cylindrical form. Okay, and when we dig it out, we have taken out the earth, and this earth is evenly spread out, okay, to make a platform, because length and breadth are different. So this type of platform is made, right? So we need to find the height of this platform, okay, where it is given that the length is 22 meter and the breadth is 14 meter of this cuboidal platform. Okay, right? So for cylinder it is written, for cylinder we know depth, that is height of the cylinder is given 20 meter, and diameter of this well, that is 7 meter. So we can write the radius is 7 by 2 meter. Okay, and this is a cuboidal platform, cuboid. Okay, so the length is 22 meter, the breadth is 14 meter, and height we are finding here. Okay, now you see, as shape is changed, but what will be remain same? Volume of cylinder will be equals to volume of cuboid. Okay, volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid, right? And volume of cylinder, what is volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h, pi r square h, that is equals to, and what is volume of cuboid? That is length into breadth into, and for h let me take capital H, right? So here I'll write also capital H, so you will not get confused with H, right now. Okay, so anything is given for pi in the question? No, so we will take that as 22 by 7, and for cylinder the radius is 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2, and the height of the cylinder is 20. Okay, that is equal to length of the cuboid, that is 22, breadth of the cuboid is 14, and height we are finding here. Okay, right? So this 22 we can cancel by 22. Okay, this 7 we can cancel by this 7. Okay, and this 20 we can cancel by 2, right? Okay, and we can cancel this 7, 2 is 14. So what can I write here? And this I can also cancel out, 2 5 is 10, 5. So height will be 5 by 2, that is 2.5 meter will be the height of this platform. Okay, right? So it is made by the earth which is dug out from this well, right? Okay, moving to next one. So this is also important question. A well of diameter 3 meter, a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out, same question as previous one, of, of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. So find the height of the embankment. Okay. So you see, let me draw the diagram first. This is the well. Okay, this is the well, and after digging it, the earth taken out, it spread all around it evenly to form an embankment like this. So this embankment is also shaped in a cylindrical shape. It is have a cylindrical shape, right? This width is given 4 meter here, right? Okay, find the height of the embankment. We need to find the height of this embankment. Okay, right? Okay. So first of all, I'm going to write for cylinder. Okay, so we'll write for cylinder, or rather than saying cylinder, that is cylinder, that is well which is cylindrical. Okay, that is well. For this it is given diameter is 3 meter, so the radius of this cylindrical well is 3 by 2 meter. Okay, and depth it is given 14 meter, so we'll take height of this cylinder, that is 14 meter. We are talking about this well, right? Okay, then and the earth taken out spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter, width that is given 4 meter. Okay, so this is the width here, this is the width 4 meter here, this width is given 4 meter. Okay, right? To form an embankment, and this embankment is also cylindrical. We need to find the height of this embankment. So we need to find the height of the embankment. Okay, now you see this, if you'll see this part, this portion, this full portion from top. Okay, so this will be a ring type structure, so it will look like this: inner circle and outer circle, right? Okay, inner circle and outer circle. Okay, right? In this one, this is given how much? 4 meter. This width is given 4 meter, right? Okay, and you see this is given how much? This is 3 by 2, radius is 3 by 2. Okay, and this from this point to this point it is given how much? That is 4 meter. So we can say the outer radius, small radius is given 3 by 2 meter. Okay, width that is given 4 meter. So we can find out the outer radius, this point to this point, outer radius. Okay, this one is inner and that one was outer radius, that is 3 by 2 plus 4, Okay, so that is 4 to the 8 and 3 11, 11 by 2 meters. Okay, so we can say that the radius of the embankment is 11 by 2 meters, right? Okay, now now see the volume of this embankment. The volume of this embankment will be equals to the volume of the well, or we can say volume of the earth dug out. Okay, right? So we'll write here volume of embankment, volume of embankment that is equals to volume of earth, volume of earth dug out, dug out. Okay, it means that is volume of well, volume of well. So okay, right now to find out the volume of this embankment, how we are going to route, see, because this is you can say this embankment is as cylindrical form, hollow cylinder. Okay, so this will be pi r square minus r square h. Okay, equals to volume of earth dug out, that is the volume of the well, that is the volume of the well, right? This well. Okay, this well, right? So that is equals to volume of this well, that is pi small r square and capital H. Okay, right? Hopefully you have understood how I have written this one, that is volume of embankment, because this is a cylindrical hollow cylinder, right? Okay, so we can cancel pi by pi here, right? So we got r, capital R is what? That is 11 by 2 square minus small r, that is 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, multiply h, height of embankment, which we need to find, that is equals to small r, that is 3 by 2 multiply 3 by 2 multiply capital H, and capital H is height of the cylinder, that is 14, okay. So here we can apply a, this is a square minus b square, so we can apply a plus b multiply a minus b multiply h is equals to 3 by 2 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 14. Okay, now let us solve it. So LCM is same 2, so 11 and 3 14 multiply 11, again LCM is same, 11 minus 3 is 8 multiply h is equals to 3 by 2 multiply 3 by 2 multiply 14. So this 2 is cancelled by this 2, this 2 is cancelled by this 2. Okay, this 14 is cancelled by this 14, right? So height is 3 3s are 9, 9 by 8, right? So 9 by 8, that is height of embankment is 1.125 meter. Okay, so the height of the embankment is 1.125 meters. Clear?